Hello everyone, my name is Kavaljeet Singh. I am a retired Lieutenant Commander from Indian Navy. I have served in Indian Navy for 26 years and then retired in 2001 November. Thereafter I went into the IT and I have served as an IT trainer, as a Microsoft certified trainer, Citrix certified instructor, master CCI in various different companies, and presently also I am a master CCI. Recently I had visited my family in Delhi, and on return I felt bit of the symptoms of corona and I was tested for corona and was found positive. I was shifted to Rajendra Hospital, Patiala, and I want to, from my core of my heart, I wish to thank Dr. Sibia and his team, those who relentlessly, tirelessly worked with me, provided me every possible medical help, moral support, and every other kind of support which I needed at that trying time. And within 3 to 4 days I was back to normal, and after 13 days in hospital I returned to my home day before yesterday, and I am very happy and healthy with no symptoms at all. There are few things I want to share with you all. First and foremost, corona does not distinguish, it does not discriminate. It does not happen only to poor people or only to rich or only a certain category of people. Do not think that it cannot happen to you, it can happen to anyone. Secondly, please take care, be positive. It is not something which is unsurmountable. It is not something which is deadly, and once you are corona positive, it does not mean that it is going to be uncurable. It is curable. Be positive. Thirdly, there are teams who are working behind the scenes, who are spending their whole time, day and night, ignoring their own safety and their family's comfort. They are working for us. Be thankful to them, support them, and especially people, those who are faceless, who behind PPE kits cannot be easily recognized. Please give them respect, support them. At times there might be little bit of difficulties because there are many people and very small number of people to support them, many large number of patients to be supported. There might be a delay in looking after certain things. Please be patient. Be patient with those teams, support them. And if you are okay, if you are healthy, please support the society in general. A corona patient is a victim and not a culprit. Do not look at a corona patient as if he or she deserves this. Nobody deserves this. They are all victims and need your and everyone else support. And once you are out of this, once you are cured, be thankful to all the people who behind the scenes tirelessly helped you come out of this. Thank you very much.